Nababo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Wear in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Wear in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, it's the second time na magpapa-feature sa atin si The Lucky Ones, but this time, they sent us their newest product. So this is dried fruit tea. Ayan, pansinin nyo guys. You know what, in all honesty, ang vlog na to is probably one of the most relaxing na video na gagawin ko dito sa bahay. So I've prepared 3 cups of tea. By the way, you have 7 parang mga flavors or moods nandito sa isang box. This one is the Pure Love. And then meron din tayong O-Detox. And then meron din tayong mga energy booster. So this one I've also prepared. Now for the rest of the packs na they sent us, meron tayong Happy Mood, Freshen Up, Forever Young, and the Sexy Back. So siguro itong Sexy Back na to is para siyang weight loss. I think so. So the way you prepare it, place the dried fruit tea sa isang cup, sa isang mug, sa isang teapot. You add hot water, wait for it for just 3 to 5 minutes, and then enjoy the tea. Okay, I wanna try now is yung kanilang Pure Love. Pure Love. Wow, that one's really interesting. So meron siyang a little bit of sourness, meron siyang earthy flavor, I think because of the beetroot natin, and then meron tayong sweetness because of the, I think this is a pineapple. Whoa! Oh, that one's really relaxing. Yaman, ang galing. For the energy booster, I think bagay na bagay to, pagkagising nyo sa umaga. So it's gonna be, it's gonna give you that boost for the entire day. Napaka aromatic ng ginger. So it has some citrus fruits. Oh wow, that was a kick. That was a kick. Energy booster. For sure, it's really gonna kick you and wake you up. And then lastly, yung O-Detox. Okay, let me taste it. So this one, it's a little bit, yung sweetness niya, it has like siguro 10 to 15% sweetness. Whoa! What a great idea! What a great idea! Alright, so before I leave you guys, let me just read yung dedication niya dito sa box. Dried fruit stewed in water has been consumed for centuries. It can be refreshing and energy boosting. Fruit tea is packed with vitamins, antioxidant, and is amazing for cleansing the body of toxins and keeping the immune system strong. What a great way to enjoy your tea. This is not the usual green leaf teas, no? Or dried leaf teas. These are actual dried fruits na talaga namang mag-enjoy tayo sa flavor, marerelax. If you're interested to get this one, so make sure to contact the fan page we're gonna be providing below or the number as well. So make sure to contact that if you wanna order this one. So there you have it guys. Thanks so much for watching Wear in Pampanga. Until our next video, peace out guys. Bye!